This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Modine Sproul. Within steps of Isabella Golf Course. Hot water heater replaced 2023, refrigerator replaced 2014, heat pump replaced 2018, deck is now a TREX deck with metal spindles, washer replaced 2019, new roof to be replaced soon. All appliances, most of the furniture included in the price. Home has only been used for winter vacation of the owners. Never on a rental program. 3 bedrooms separated and an office. Master bedroom opens onto deck. Large utility room into garage. Kitchen open to eating area. Carpet looks brand new because owners have never worn shoes on the carpet. A real jewel. Must see to believe. For more information.